G'day guys, Nathan here from All Brand Caravan Services. Today I've just got this motorhome in here. He's come in for a couple of little different things, although we did notice in our free visual inspection that we do on every caravan, test all the lights, check everything else out. We've noticed that this customer had a few clearance lights not working. Now that is a roadworthy issue. You have to have all your lights working in order to be safe out there on the road. So just before you hook up once you've hooked up the caravan, just do a quick walk around, check that your indicators, your brake lights, and all your side markers and front markers are working. If they're not, then you've got a problem. You could also get pulled up by police and get fined for that too. So if you do notice that you got some lights out, come on down, come see us, and we can get them fixed for you. Thank you.